Once Gautam Buddha went through a village. Then a villager sadly fallen at the feet of Buddha and said, Swami, I have been waiting for your arrival, and today your vision has been around for years. I beg you to remove the pain which is in my heart. Then Gautam Buddha said, should not be affected. Dukkam loses the serenity of your life. Get up and tell me what happened. What can I say, Swami? I grew up not knowing what pain means in my life. The ones I loved so much today have meaningfully left me alone. It causes dizziness, not sure what to do. I am not able to console myself, and I am unable to dismiss it from my heart. It is the same thing coming again and over again. I am unable to lead my life. I have fed up of everything. Hope on life is also shattered. Please show me the way to get out of this problem anyway. Don't worry, said Gautam Buddha. Your situation is not alone in this world. The whole world is plagued with many problems like this. Putting too much hope on the other and turns the bonds into builders and sinks with a lot of pain. If someone leaves you, don't think that life is over with. Stop thinking on it and worry about it. It can never be changed. Do not return what was done. And don't make your problem bigger by remembering the memories of falling life. The failed mind continues to languish in a whirlpool of many memories. Give it some time to recover. Give time, and it heals the wounds that have been inflamed. If you underestimate what happened, your pain will not go away. Not only that, you will see hell in this world. Learn to accept the fact that the losers will never return. It is not about being connected to one person rather than living. It is with us for the rest of our lives. It would be foolish for us to think that they will be with us for the rest of our lives. If you want peace in your life, if you want your dukkam to be stopped, stop trying to retaliate what to win the party. Forgive them wholeheartedly. Leave every memory of theirs which has lost. What has left you yet is do not forget that you have a good and bright future. The world is not with one alone. Time will not stop for anyone. This world is not connected with one person. Assume that there are many in this world. Start working and focus on what you want in your life. Share your love with the people who are around you. Get to know people who truly love you. Try to love them more. Do not forget an indelible smile, and your growth will give a lesson to them who left you. Do not forget that you are in God's plan. If everything happens according to your whims and fantasies, you are lucky. If not, you are very, very lucky, for everything happens according to God's plan. Like this, many words Buddha said. The words of Gautam Buddha made light the mind of the villager, took a leave from Buddha, and left very happily.